Millions of older adults across the world rely on welfare pensions as a primary source of income to maintain their daily living expenses. These payments are essential for supporting housing, food, healthcare, and other necessities, especially for retirees who may not have additional sources of income. Governments prioritize the timely delivery of these funds to ensure financial security for seniors. The period from January 22 through January 26 has been officially highlighted as the designated payment window for many beneficiaries this month. Knowing these dates in advance allows older adults to plan their finances accurately, avoid unnecessary stress, and ensure that their obligations, such as bills and other payments, are met without delay. The official announcement comes from government agencies tasked with administering pension programs, emphasizing that these funds are expected to reach eligible recipients reliably within this specified period. In the United States, Social Security payments follow a structured calendar that ensures benefits are distributed in a predictable manner. For retirees who are receiving Social Security retirement, disability, or supplemental income, payments are typically based on the date of birth, ensuring staggered processing that reduces strain on financial institutions. The Social Security Administration publishes annual schedules, allowing beneficiaries to know in advance exactly when their funds will arrive. For January 2026, the week of January 22 through January 26 represents a key disbursement period for individuals who are scheduled according to mid-month or late-month payment cycles. This structure enables recipients to manage household expenses with confidence, as they can anticipate income within a narrow window, reducing the uncertainty that can come with late payments or processing errors. Direct deposit, the most commonly used method, guarantees that funds are credited to bank accounts on the scheduled dates, while those using paper checks should allow additional processing time for mail delivery. Across the globe, welfare pension systems are designed with similar principles but can vary in execution. In South Africa, for instance, older persons' grants are administered through the South African Social Security Agency, SASSA. Citizens aged 60 and above receive monthly payments, which in January 2026 were scheduled earlier in the month, yet the principle of defined disbursement windows applies throughout the year. These grants are calculated based on individual eligibility, age, and in some cases additional support for veterans or disabled seniors. The official calendar ensures that beneficiaries know precisely when to expect their funds, minimizing uncertainty and enabling better financial planning. South Africa also provides options for electronic transfers and pickup at designated payment points, giving recipients flexibility while maintaining the security of pension disbursements. Verification through official portals or helplines helps prevent delays and allows beneficiaries to confirm their entitlement, further ensuring the reliability of the system. In Pakistan, social protection programs such as the Benazir Income Support Program provide crucial financial assistance to vulnerable populations, including older adults. Payments under this program are often distributed quarterly, and the January 2026 cycle involved payments of over $13,500 for qualifying beneficiaries. The program utilizes digital tools such as mobile wallets and authorized bank agents to facilitate smooth delivery of funds, reducing dependence on cash disbursement points and improving efficiency. Beneficiaries can verify their payment status through official SMS services or online portals using their national identity card numbers. It is important for older adults to keep their registration information current, as this ensures they continue to receive benefits without interruption. The structured disbursement schedule for January 22 through January 26 gives recipients a clear expectation of when funds will be available, allowing them to plan essential purchases and manage household finances effectively. The administration of welfare pensions often involves extensive planning and coordination across multiple government agencies. Actuarial analysis, budgeting, and resource allocation are critical components that ensure that funds are available in sufficient amounts to meet obligations. Adjustments in pension amounts, including cost of living increases, are periodically announced to maintain the purchasing power of retirees. These updates are often reflected in official communications sent to beneficiaries through mail, SMS, and government websites. Older adults are encouraged to pay close attention to these announcements, as they may indicate changes in the disbursement schedule, increased benefit amounts, or improvements in payment methods. Staying informed allows beneficiaries to take full advantage of the support available to them, maximizing financial stability and security. Financial planning around scheduled pension payments is an essential practice for older adults and their families. Knowing the exact week that payments will be credited allows retirees to align bill payments, medical expenses, and other recurring costs with the availability of funds. It also helps prevent overdraft charges or delays in covering essential expenses. Bank systems and electronic transfers sometimes post funds a day early or late due to weekends, public holidays, or technical processing timelines. For beneficiaries, monitoring account statements during the January 22-26 window is critical to ensure that all expected payments are received, and any discrepancies can be reported to the responsible authorities promptly. Government helplines, online portals, and local administrative offices are available to address any questions or concerns regarding delayed or missing payments, ensuring that older adults are not left without critical support. In many countries, welfare pension systems have evolved to incorporate digital verification and payment technologies. Biometric identification, mobile applications, and secure online portals have become integral to reducing errors and improving accessibility. In Pakistan, for example, the BIES program emphasizes the use of biometric verification to ensure that funds reach the correct recipients. Similarly, in other regions, electronic transfer systems reduce the risk of fraud and make monitoring of payments simpler for both recipients and administrators. These technological innovations are designed to guarantee that disbursement schedules, such as the January 22-26 period, are met with precision. Older adults benefit from reduced waiting times and enhanced security, giving them confidence in the continuity of their income support. Governments recognize the importance of predictable pension schedules for older adults who rely on these funds as their primary source of income. Delays or inconsistencies in payments can cause financial stress, which is why official agencies maintain transparent calendars and communication channels. Beneficiaries are advised to check official government portals regularly, subscribe to alert systems if available, and maintain contact with local offices. These measures ensure that older adults remain informed about any changes, such as rescheduled payments or supplemental distributions that might occur due to policy updates or adjustments in the national budget. Being proactive in understanding the official schedule allows retirees to maintain stability and plan for both short-term and long-term financial needs. The global landscape of pension administration highlights differences in disbursement patterns. Some nations follow a fixed date approach, providing payments on a specific day each month. Others use a week-based system, ensuring that funds arrive within a designated window. Still, others may distribute benefits quarterly or semi-annually. Despite these variations, the shared objective remains consistent: to provide reliable financial support to older adults. Awareness of the official schedule, such as the January 22nd through January 26th payment period, enables beneficiaries to prepare for the arrival of funds, manage household budgets efficiently, and avoid unnecessary anxiety over missing payments. Planning around these official dates is a critical aspect of maintaining economic stability for retirees and their families. Older adults should also remain alert to announcements regarding policy changes or additional benefits. Governments may periodically release updates about cost of living adjustments, emergency payments, or special grants aimed at seniors. These updates can influence the timing and amount of disbursements and are often communicated through official channels such as websites, SMS notifications, or local offices. Staying informed ensures that beneficiaries can access all available resources and that they are aware of their rights and entitlements. Awareness of supplemental programs, changes in eligibility criteria, or revised payment dates help seniors maximize the support available to them and plan accordingly for upcoming expenses. The period of January 22nd through January 26th represents more than just a set of dates. It is a critical window that reflects months of planning, coordination, and execution by social protection agencies. For older adults receiving welfare pensions, These days symbolize financial security and predictability. By monitoring bank accounts, checking official portals, and contacting local offices if necessary, beneficiaries can ensure that payments are received as intended. Accurate and timely pension disbursement allows older adults to maintain independence, cover essential needs, and experience peace of mind, knowing that support is available when expected. The reliability of these payments reinforces trust in the system and upholds the social responsibility that governments have toward their senior citizens. Understanding the administration, timing, and verification of pension payments also empowers family members who assist older adults. Caregivers can coordinate finances, plan purchases, and ensure that older adults are using their funds efficiently. Knowledge of the January 22 to 26 schedule allows for timely monitoring and support, reducing potential financial risks or errors. This collaboration between beneficiaries and their families ensures that funds are utilized effectively and that older adults experience the benefits of welfare programs without disruption. Being informed about payment windows and official procedures is an essential aspect of responsible financial management for seniors and their support networks. The broader implications of structured pension payments extend to economic planning at both household and national levels. Predictable disbursement schedules enable governments to forecast budget requirements, allocate funds efficiently, and maintain the integrity of social welfare programs. For beneficiaries, reliable schedules reduce financial uncertainty and allow retirees to engage in community activities, manage healthcare costs, and support personal well-being. The January 22-26 payment window is part of a larger framework of welfare administration that emphasizes accountability, transparency, and consistency, all of which are essential for the continued effectiveness of these programs. Financial literacy and proactive engagement with pension programs are also essential components of maximizing benefits. Older adults are encouraged to familiarize themselves with eligibility criteria, disbursement methods, verification procedures, and support channels. Understanding the official payment schedule, including the January 22 and 26 window, enables retirees to plan expenditures effectively, anticipate additional financial needs, and seek assistance if payments are delayed or incomplete. By actively participating in the process and staying informed, older adults can ensure that they receive the full benefit of welfare programs and maintain a stable and secure financial environment throughout the year. Structured pension payments are particularly important in the context of emergencies or unexpected expenses. Reliable access to funds during the designated January 2026 period provides older adults with the ability to manage healthcare emergencies, repair essential household equipment, or cover unexpected costs. The assurance that payments will be credited within a specific window reduces stress and enables retirees to maintain independence and dignity. Governments continue to refine these systems, incorporating technology, streamlining processes, and enhancing accessibility to further strengthen the reliability of pension disbursements and support older adults in achieving financial security. Monitoring the official payment window also helps detect errors, prevent fraud, and maintain accountability within pension programs. Beneficiaries who are aware of the January 22-26 disbursement schedule can verify the accuracy of received funds, report discrepancies, and ensure that their rights are protected. Digital verification tools, bank statements, and official portals provide mechanisms for confirming receipt, while customer service and local administrative offices offer assistance for resolving issues. Active engagement by beneficiaries contributes to the integrity of welfare programs and ensures that older adults continue to receive the financial support they need without disruption. The January 2026 payment window reflects a global commitment to supporting older adults and ensuring that social welfare systems operate efficiently. By adhering to scheduled disbursement dates, governments provide a predictable and reliable source of income, enabling retirees to manage their finances effectively. Awareness of these dates, combined with careful monitoring and proactive verification, empowers older adults to maintain financial stability, plan for expenses, and experience the security that comes with dependable pension support. The structured approach to payments demonstrates the importance of social protection and the value placed on the well being of senior citizens.